Here, have some drunk projects.
Today, I will show you how to wire a winch for your truck, which better not be squatted. Now, you might ask, I thought you built super awesome RC cars out of cheap ass RC cars and cheated. Why am I doing this simple stuff? That's because this has been in my way. This crap's been in this here top drawer, and I want that drawer for other things. So this is what you get. Cry about it. Or whine about it. Yeah. This winch here I've put on a platform that I bought at Tractor Supply. It goes in a reese hitch, and it was obviously meant for a way bigger winch. Well, not too obviously, because I bought it thinking, damn, that's a bolt-on perfect. And no, my winch was too small. I bought a small winch because it was cheap, and I have the track membership on Harbor Freight because I'm cooler than you, and you know, it was less money. I had to drill my own holes to put it in there, and I had to weld this to it because it's too small, and yeah, I already bought it. Now I use this for multiple things, not just one vehicle. I use it in the back reese hitch of my mud truck, and the reese hitch adapter that I welded to my car dolly. Because I'm cheap, I'm not going to buy one for every vehicle, so I'm going to wire it together, all contained in this area, so that I can just clamp it to a battery and then hit whatever button here to run it, rather than having to plug a jumper box in there left and right, which achieves the purpose and isn't that complicated. But you can't stand to the side of the trailer and look at it, and I keep short-circuiting shit on this frame because there's not enough room there. Hindsight's a bitch. Now I'm going to show you how to professionally wire this the right way by reading this manual. I don't know what I'm doing. Snatch plug. It says snatch. Alright, wiring diagram. Hell yeah. Cool, we're in business. I feel like there's a lot I can do here that you don't need to see, so we're just going to continue with B-roll music and fast forward. Perfect drill lubricant, E-Vape juice. Because if you gotta smell burning oil, at least make it taste like peach lemonade. Don't question me. So the main wiring is done. All the wires are different colors because the relay itself, each tip of the relay is painted with the color of the wire that goes on it. So you got your battery power coming in here, which if you was installing on your truck, you would run straight to your battery. Relay, I'm pretty sure, is waterproof, so you could mount it out here, or you could mount it on the bumper of your truck or something like that. Best to keep it out of water's way, just for good measure. The purpose of this relay is to flip the polarity coming from the battery back and forth for forward and reverse on the winch, as well as cut it off entirely. The way to pick the direction is to send positive to one of these two small terminals here, and that is achieved via the switch wiring harness. It has three different wires. The white wire is going to tie into the same place as your battery ground, and then your green and black will go to these two terminals respectively. As in, if you press the switch to reel it in and it goes out, then all you do is flip these two wires to fix it. So that's what I'm doing next. I am going to drill a hole through this part of the bar and mount my bracket there for the remote, as well as the constant switch I am going to zip tie in place here so that it can just be pressed. And if I want a remote to stand to the side, I'll be able to plug this in it right there and walk away from it. Alright, now to continue wiring that.
winching thing.
Testing time.
Get down!
Like me? Oh, you love me. Yeah, that was stupid. Well, while I'm done, I forgot to mention that this red wire needs to be hooked to a switched power source. In my case, it's hooked to the same thing as the red jumper wire, this bolt. And now we test, and then I yank a damn tree out of the ground. Not working. Alright, go for it.
Go?
Yep.
It is lifting my van up in the air.
Yeah, it is. It's also breaking the tree. Yes! Come on. Come on.
I'm giving it a second.
I feel like the whole ground's about to burst underneath me. Oh yeah, it's splitting the chunk. Keep pulling, get that bitch out of there. All right. Alright, I think I can finally get this damn thing done and post it to YouTube tonight.
How long do you think it'll be until people start asking to see our buttholes?
What the fuck, Emily? Cut scene.
What? It's a valid question.
God damn it!